Hi guys, is your channel ranking less? Do you feel that you are not reaching the right place, the right levels of your channel, or are you confused how to optimize your search engine optimization? So here there is a big solution for all your doubts what you have in YouTube. So let's go to the video. I'll teach you step by step which will help you to grow your channel, to grow your search engine optimization and make your video reach on top levels. So not taking much of your time, let's go to the video, let's learn. I'll show you on a video what I have which has got the lowest score using some technical points how to enhance the search engine optimization. So let's go to the video and watch it. It's going to be very interesting. You all can do this, implement this and make your channel grow like anything. So let's go to the video. So I am standing in YouTube right now. So let me first go to my channel. So I'm just going to click here. You can see I'm going to just click here and select my channel, and I just go to my channel now. So this is my channel right now. I'm in the channel right now. I've already installed this software called TrueBuddy. You can see here I have already installed this software called TrueBuddy. You can download this software from Google. It's absolutely free and you can install this software. Using this you can see there are so many beautiful things what you have in this software, right? So let's not take much of your time. I'm just going to videos, and in videos I'm going to change the enhance the search engine optimization score for this video, how to find happiness, and happiness is a beautiful story. So let me click here first. Once I have clicked here, you can see here the score is only 10. The search engine optimization score you can see find out as 10. This is the views what I have got. This is the likes what I have got. Session is so and so. Total views, total videos, and you see this SEO score is only 10. So now how we can enhance the SEO score? That is what I am going to teach you step by step. Okay. So for that what we need to do is we have to just go to Google and we have to take a new tab. Just go to Google and just take a new tab. I have taken a new tab. This is our previous screen. So I am just going to Google and I am taking a new tab. In that I have already added the website in bookmarks, so that I am just going there. I am just coming down and I am going to click on this one where H Super Tools. It's an online digital marketing website where you can use this website to enhance your search engine optimization. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to click here on YouTube and click on keyword tools. So when I click on keyword tools, there's a thing called search option is coming here. So again I'm going to go to my channel page, and in that I'm going to click on the keywords what I have here like this. Just going to copy it and I'm just going to paste here. Then I'm going to search these keywords. So when I'm searching it, you can see there are so many scores what I get. High, medium. In this, try to select the highest range of things, the highest range of uh, keyword score. For example, I have selected 1, I have selected 2, I have selected 3, I have selected 4. Now I have selected 4 segments. Now just copy as tags. So it has been copied to the clipboard. Now again back, I am going back to my channel. and then I'm going to click on analytics below the video so that the video goes into Creator Studio. I have to wait till the page gets open. So here the page is getting open, right? Here you can find out this option called details. So I'm clicking on details over here. So my page has opened. In that I have to scroll down, and here in tags I'm going to paste all the tags what I have copied using Control Z. So I have pasted all those tags. The other tags what I have I can use using this uh, TrueBuddy tags which is available. I can add that also. So I have added some tags over here. Now I have to go up, and I have to type, I have to give the hashtags. Here I will be giving the hashtags as again I am putting a hashtag. So I have put the hashtag, and then I can, now I'm going to add the cards. Now I'll teach you how to add the cards. On the on this part, when you come down, you can see here that you can add cards. So I'm going to teach you step by step to add the cards. So wait, I'll teach you. It's very simple. It's very simple where you can add cards, right? Yeah. You can see here end screen. So just click on end screen. Let us add an end screen first. So just click on end screen. So this end screen, this window will be coming. This thing will be coming. Here you can select which end screen you want to add. So I'm going to add this one. So my end screen is added here. You can see I have already added the end screen over here. Now I'm going to save this one. Once it is saved, now what am I going to do next is, again I'm going to go and add cards. You can see cards here. I'll be clicking the cards. The screen opens. This screen will be getting open. In this you can see video. There are three options: video, playlist, channel. So I'm going to click on video, and I'm going to add the video which has got the highest range of views. The video which has got the highest views. So this video has got the highest views. So I have added the videos. Now I'm going to place the time. That is, I will be putting this after 30 seconds. So I'll be putting it as, yeah, I've put the card on 30 seconds. After 30 seconds you can see the card. Okay, once it is been done, here you have to put a message that please do watch, and just give a small texture about the video. I have written value of smile. So once you can see here, value of smile comes over here. The tracer comes here, right? So once this is over, you can save it. You can save here. So the card is also saved. Now everything is set as per things. Now you can find out, is there any other keywords? No. So just save all the information. So you have saved all the information, everything is being saved. Now just go to the channel and click on the video what we have enhanced the search engine. We have enhanced the search engine optimization. Just go to the videos, and in the videos just go to the video what we have brought the changes, and now you can see the search engine. See the search engine. The score was 10. Now it has been optimized to 35. The same way, applying the same way, you can enhance it to 80% or 90% as you want. And then you can see here everything is done by the book. And this is the simplest way to enhance your search engine optimization score. Now I'm going to teach you how you can create thumbnail absolutely free. So there are different sites, but what I use professionally is called Canva. So you take Google and type Canva, press enter and click on Canva here. So once you click on Canva here, the site will get open and you have to sign in. Already I have signed in. So I just want to click here and type YouTube thumbnail. So here I'm just showing you how it works. So here when you type YouTube thumbnail, you can find out so many different kinds of thumbnails what you have. So as per you want, you can take any thumbnail. For example, suppose if I want to do a video on meditation, I'll be taking this thumbnail. I'll be clicking here. There are paid thumbnails as well as free thumbnails. So if you have this crown emblem, the crown logo, it means that it's paid thumbnails. So for example, let me take a free thumbnail. I'll show you. For example, suppose I have taken this. So let me click here. So how to design your thumbnail. Now I'm going to teach you how to design your thumbnail. So just watch how it works. So here, once you have selected the thumbnail, on the left side you can see so many tools. You can see elements, uploads, text, more. So first of all, what you need to do is just click here. You can erase whatever things what you want, and just go to this text. Click on text where you can see headings. So I have clicked on headings. So the heading has come. Here I will be giving a title that for example, so this is a title what I have given. So I will be putting it in this part. So I have given that how you can grow your YouTube channel in 2021. Okay. Now I need to put a logo. So what am I going to do? I'll be clicking on this proportion called uploads. Hope you can find here. I'll just zoom for you. I'll be clicking on uploads where I have already added so many things. So I'll be putting a YouTube logo here. So the logo has come. Again I'll be scrolling down and I have got a YouTube again logo I'll be putting here. That also I'll add it to the screen. So once it has been added to the screen, what I'll do is I'll just minimize it. I'll take the first logo. I'll minimize the logo like this, and I'll just place it over here. Yeah, and here again I'm going to minimize it like this as per what I want, and I'll be, because my video is all regarding YouTube, so I'm going to place here like this. So it will bring a radical change on my looks. So I've already done my this. It's up to you whether how you can. If you don't want this, you can remove that. It is up to you how you want to place it. For example, suppose if I want to place my uh, l- channel logo, that also I can click here like this, select and click here like this, and I can minimize it to this small ways on whatever friction I want, and I'm going to place it over here. Yeah. Now see, the thumbnail is already ready in the professional way. Now if I want, I can, I can make this words little bit, I can enhance the words, I can change the color. I have to select it, I can go above, I can choose a color what I want. For there are so many phenomenal colors what you have. For example, I can put a red and I can find out whether how it looks, or I can put a blue and I can find out how it looks. So it keeps on varying from person to person. But let me choose red itself. I can select it and I can put it as bold or italic what I want. I can choose the fonts, whichever type of font which I would like. So I have selected a different font like this, and I know I'm. Let me make it a little bit larger. As per you want, you can design the way you want. It's so simple as that. Look, which gives you a professional touch. That's the most important point. So now everything is ready. Now if you see, just observe this thumbnail, which has got all the information that how you are going to grow your YouTube. Now once this is ready, you can just go to downloads here, and you can select the file what you want to download. Like if you want to download as JPG or PDF or any format. I'm using a PDF format, JPG format, and save download settings, and I have clicked downloads. Now my thumbnail is getting downloaded. So once it is being downloaded, I can open and I can see that how it has come. So see, just see how it has come. It looks absolutely professional and absolutely great. So this is the way you can create a thumbnail, and definitely you can attract audience and people towards your channel, and implement it. Try to do it, try to implement it, and you can enhance your views, and you can make your channel reach to the public views. Hope you like the information. If you like the information, kindly press the subscribe button, press the bell, and share with all your friends. Give your valuable reviews, comments, so that it will be an inspiration for me as well. So I'll be coming up with so much of good and great information in front of you guys, and definitely this will you will be learning, you will be implementing, and let us all grow together. Have a great day and have a great weekend. Have a great day. God bless you, and let's meet up in the next video. Thank you so